How you doing, everyone? Teacher Joan is here to make your English skills better. People, in this opportunity I'm going to teach you some grammar. Every Friday I'm going to be explaining grammar topics. And with this video, I'm going to start producing explanation about the verb to be. This is a series of 3 videos. This Friday, affirmative, the next one, negative, and the next one will be interrogative. Okay, so for we to have an idea what is a verb to be, this verb expresses the real status of the things or the people. Okay, and we need to have a formula for us to produce sentences with this verb. We have pronoun plus verb plus complement. Okay, and the pronouns that we are going to use in this sentence, I'm going to show you now. The first one that I have over here is I. Okay, the next one that I have is you. The next one that I have is he. The next one that I have is she. The next one is it. The next one is we. Then you. And they. Okay, so that is the first part of the formula. Okay. Okay, so I have the pronoun. The second part of the formula that I have is the verb. Okay, in this case I'm going to use a verb to be. Okay, I am. Okay, you are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You follow me? You are. And they are. Okay, so this is the second part of the formula. Pronoun, verb, and now we are going to use the complement of the sentence. Okay, English is really easy, people. Okay, so what would be a complement for this pronoun and this part of the verb to be? I am Joan. You are my friend. Or you are Elisa. He is my boss. Or he is my father. Or she is Maria. She is Maria. She is my mother. It is a ball. It is an animal. Okay, we are friends. You are my supervisors. You're my supervisors. If you notice over here, I use friend because this one is singular. And right here, supervisors is in plural. Okay, you are my supervisors. And the last one, they are my parents. Okay, so if you see, from we to they, all these pronouns refers to 2 or more people. They are plural pronouns. Okay, so people, it was really easy. Practice it, apply it in your vocabulary, and you will see the magic of the English. So people, that was all. Next Friday I'm going to teach you the negative form of the verb to be. Bye bye and take care.